In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make background transparent in Canva. This is quick and simple once you know where to look. Start with your design open in Canva and identify the background element you want to fade. This might be a photo that fills the page or a colored shape sitting behind your content. Click that background to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding handles around it and a context toolbar appears at the top of the screen. On that toolbar, find the little checkered icon. That icon is Canva's transparency control. Click it to open a slider. Now, drag the slider to adjust the see-through level. Moving left decreases opacity, making the background more transparent so elements beneath become visible. Moving right increases opacity, keeping the background solid. For quick reference, 100 means fully solid and 0 means completely transparent. If you want to hide the background so you can line up or preview other elements without distraction, pull it all the way down to 0. If you just want a soft, subtle background that supports your text without overpowering it, try gently lowering the slider until your content stands out comfortably. As you slide, watch the canvas update in real time. This makes it easy to dial in the exact balance you like. Nothing is permanent here, so feel free to experiment. If the background becomes too faint, simply raise the slider again to restore it. You can always click away to see how the overall layout feels, then reselect the background and fine-tune the transparency. If the transparency option doesn't appear, double-check that you actually selected the background element itself rather than a different layer. Sometimes a large image or shape is locked under other items, so a precise click along the edge can help. If your background is part of a grouped set of elements, adjusting transparency will affect the entire selection together. This tool is especially helpful when layering text, icons, or illustrations. Slight transparency gives your design depth and keeps the focus on key information. It also helps when you're aligning elements with a grid or background photo. Lowering transparency temporarily can reveal guides and edges underneath. That's really all there is to it. Click the background, hit the checkered transparency icon, and drag the slider to the level you want. For a completely see-through background while you work, set it to 0. To bring it back, raise it again. With this simple control, you can create cleaner layouts, improve readability, and refine your design in seconds.